it's your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali. Guys, here on this channel you're able to get YouTube tips, beauty tips, and a little bit of my crazy. And if you want to see that, make sure you join us every Friday right here on this channel at 5 p.m. Eastern. Alright, so you don't want to miss that any at all. Alright guys, so I'm going to get right into this video. I don't know if I'm supposed to say it is an obsession or what, but look what I have here. It's another Seacret product, guys, and I am going to be opening this with you. I have to say I have been using these products and I am really loving the outcome of them, and as such your girl is here taking advantage of them. Well packaged and all. Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my gosh, it is a mud mask. Look at this. It is a mud mask, guys, and of course it is from Seacret, and it says M4 mineral rich magnetic mud mask. I love the packaging so far. How does it open? Hold on. Oh, ooh, hey, look at that, guys. Ooh, wow. Oh my gosh. Well fitted inside. So this would be the spatula for the mud mask. So, wow. Wow. This would be the mud. Mineral rich magnetic mud. I'm going to lift it off. Whoa. The mud is inside there. I'll soon get to that part, guys. I love the packaging. It's very nice. So that's that. And then this is magnetic cover. It's a lot of the magnetic covers. It's a whole lot. And then this would be the magnet. And inside of it, guys, it has that velvet thing. This would make a very good gift, especially now Valentine's Day is coming up. Gentlemen, or even the ladies, if you want to gift your gentleman one of these magnetic masks, it would be very good as well. Yeah man, you can give them this for their Valentine's gift. Alright, so the name of the mask, it is M4 mineral rich magnetic mud. Alright, it says skin condition normal to dry skin. And the product description, it says revolutionary mask with biomagnetic power to rejuvenate and smooth the skin. And you know, that is what I'm all about these days, guys. I'm using the products on my face and I'm really loving the results that I'm getting. Directions, it says to spread over the face, avoiding eye area. Leave on for 3 to 5 minutes. Cover the magnet with a plastic casing. Position the magnet close to facial skin and remove the mask from one side of the face. Then it says discard the used casing, replace with a new casing, and repeat for the other side of the face. Massage remaining serum into face and follow with a Seacret moisturizer. Use once a week. Massage the remaining serum. You know about serum and your face, how it keeps your face looking nice and youthful. Alright, it says the benefits. Innovative and revolutionary mask. Its unique cleansing effect on the skin creates a silky layer on the skin for hydration and softening. And it says once applied, the M4 starts working to absorb excess oil, dirt, and debris from the skin. Deeply cleanses pores to give your skin a youthful glow. Wow! Ali, yes! Helps improve skin texture, tone, and tired looking skin. Now guys, I know that you are probably saying, Ali, we need to see this mud mask at work. Guys, give me a few minutes. Let me go and cleanse my face a bit. Okay guys, are you ready for this? I sure am ready for this. My face is now cleansed. I washed my face with the mud soap. When you go on the Seacret website, you will be able to see the mud soap. We're going in now with the M4. Guys, before I use the casing, I'm going to use a napkin. I'm going to test it out first. I'm nervous and I'm excited at the same time. I'm going to go ahead. Whoa. I think I should have a mirror so I don't make any mistakes. And it doesn't feel any way on my face, guys. I thought it was going to feel, you know, but no. Oh, the only thing I'm feeling, guys, it's like it's tightening my skin. And like how it says to only use it once per week. Oh, I'm feeling a little tingly sensation. Also, I should let you know, one of the things which I realize with these Seacret products, just a little bit goes a very far away. And I just use what was in the cover. Just gonna let it stay there for 3 to 5 minutes. And this is what inside the jar looks like. Yes, give myself a little TLC, guys. For these, it's made with minerals from the Dead Sea, and also not only are the products good for your skin, but they also have nutritional items as well, so you're able to try those out. Also guys, you are able to earn by using these Seacret products. So if that interests you any at all, you can always check that out when you visit the website. I'm going to be putting the information in the description area. If you become a VIP customer where you spend $99 and over, you're able to get 20% discount on whatever you're purchasing, and you'll get free shipping. But then if you want to become an agent where you're able to earn from distributing the Seacret products, you will then get an additional 30% discount. Plus, you would be able to earn from that. So as I said, if that interests you at all, you can always reach out to me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is also in the description area. When you go on the website to make your purchase, you will also see it there as well, where you're able to become a member, or if you just want to be a VIP customer. But I think the time is up. Let's go ahead and remove this mask. This is experiment time. You know Ali already. Ali with the experiment. Alright, so what I did, I just ripped a piece of the napkin and I'm going to put it over the magnet. Alright, and they said that you're to hold it a distance away from your face. Whoa, guys. Whoa, do you see that? Hold on, guys. Just take a look. Look at the distance. You see the distance away? You see that? It's actually pulling it. Oh my god. I want you to see this, guys. Guys, look at that. Amazing. Amazing. Alright. I'm just going to take this stuff. Look carefully, guys, if I'm able to show you here. They say you're to take it off from one side of your face first. It's just lifting off like that. Alright, so that's half of the face. You need this in your life, and this can be used by both male and females. This came right in time for Valentine's. Alright, here we go again, guys. Look at the distance. You see? You see the distance? I'm holding it away. This mask here is not plain, right? So I'm taking this off and I'm going to use another piece. This magnetic mask did not come out to play any at all. Guys, this is unbelievable. Unbelievable. Look, and I still have this clean. So what I'll have to do the next time, because I was just experimenting, when I'm doing this next week, then I can always use the plastic thing which is to go on it. But you saw what I did with just the napkin. They say after you're finished, then you're to now massage. Wow! Guys, there's a lot of moisture on my face. So they said you're to go ahead and massage in the rest of the serum. Wow, my face feels brand new, guys. And you know, you do that in a circular motion. Alright, so I've massaged this into my face, guys, and it is feeling very nice and refreshing and moisturized. So I really and truly love this, and there's nothing on my hands, guys. Nothing on my hands. Wow, but my hand feel very soft though. My hand feel very soft. I really feel good about this. And as I said, this is now my new obsession, and I know it will definitely feel good on your skin as well when you try it. So if you are going to be trying out any of the Seacret products, or if you have already tried any of the ones which I showed you, please go ahead in the comment area and let me know, alright? And let me know how it's working out for you. I'm going to be leaving the link for this M4 mud mask in the description area, where you're able to go ahead and you can get a hold of one of this, especially now that it's coming on to Valentine's Day. Or you can use it for any gift. Even Mother's Day is coming up as well. You can get this for your mom. Alright, guys? My face looks and feel so different. I really love it. Alright guys, well, that's it for me for today. Your girl Ali from Home Job Success with Ali, saying take care of yourself. Remember, we had a flogging last year, so this year let us just do what we can to take care of ourselves and also to take care of our mind. Once we are feeling good from the inside, and once our skins are taken care of course everything else is just going to be falling into place. Once you feel good, you look good, you are going to be being very productive and feel unstoppable. Alright, so you do take care, walk good, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.